Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I was just traveling, and my pills, I had my pills, like I take different pills every day, and my pill case just has the little snap closes on it, and crap, everything opened up and I had pills everywhere. So I decided to get this new pill box, and we're gonna check this thing out and see how it looks. So it's got an actual close to it. So you see, this is the pill box, and it's not gonna open by itself anyway. You have to flip this thing up to open it, and you have to open up each container here, and you can take the whole thing out. You can actually put something else in there, I guess. But inside of it, you've got the little sections for each day. It's kind of funny that it gives you, 3 full sections and then half. But for me, my pills are fairly small, so they'll fit in there, so I could have my 7 days all in this thing here, and just 4 of the days will look like they're small. But I guess I can, use it to keep track of the days or something. I don't know. I'll probably write on Sharpie on there what days they are, just so I remember. But that's it, I guess. So I'm gonna use this, and this is what I bought. It came in different colors too. I'll put a link to it in the description if anybody's interested, but it's good. It's got a little rubber gasket. You see this is like rubber around the side here. So then once it is closed up too, it'll seal it pretty good. I'm not gonna go put it underwater, but that was another issue I had when I was in Florida, is my case that I had was not waterproof, and or any kind of thing, and the humidity just totally got to it, and they were disgusting after a few months, because I was only going there every couple of months. So, but this is the case, and it's pretty cool. I don't even know what brand it is. It is, I guess, Nature TCUCH pill box. I don't know. There, you can see it. I don't know, it doesn't even say it on the thing, but whatever. But I like it. I'll put a link to it in the description if you guys want to pick one up. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back soon. Bye.